To connect your Payoneer account to your Shopify store for receiving payouts, you can follow these steps. If you haven't already, you need to create a Payoneer account. You can use the link in the description to try both of these platforms. Go to the Payoneer website and sign up for an account. Make sure your Payoneer account is verified and active. Log into your Shopify admin panel. In the Shopify admin panel, navigate to Settings and then select Payment Providers. Scroll down to the Payout Settings section. Under Payout Providers, find Payoneer and click on it. You will be prompted to log into your Payoneer account and authorize Shopify to access it. Once you've logged in and authorized the connection, Shopify will confirm that your Payoneer account has been successfully connected. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to finalize the setup process. Double-check your payout settings to ensure that Payoneer is selected as the desired payout method. By following these steps, you should be able to connect your Payoneer account to your Shopify store to receive payouts. If you encounter any issues during the process, you may need to reach out to Shopify's support or Payoneer's support for assistance.